The world is changing, and so are the industries. Industries today face unprecedented challenges to address increasing complexity while meeting high efficiency and sustainability standards. They need a partner who is adaptable and reliable and provide intelligent solutions for needs of tomorrow. We at Thermax have been partnering customers in their digital journey of running plants efficiently and streamlining operations and maintenance. Our intelligent solutions powered by proprietary digital platform and algorithms gives insights to unleash the full potential of your assets. We provide O&M services to 125 plus plants globally and ensure utilities like power, steam, compressed air, water, etc. are available 24/7 while achieving sustainability goals. Thermax Intelligent O&M Solutions.